Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, front-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers, smart device integration. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.